Well, hello there, friends. Another fantastic pasta dish. Today we're making pasta alla Norcina. It's a wonderful pasta with a little sausage, little mushrooms, little cream. Mix it all up into this beautiful sauce. And you're going to see it's so simple to make. There's hardly any prep. When I say a child can do it, a child can do this one, I promise you. Thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, friends. And don't forget to ring the bell. Stay tuned. We're making pasta alla Norcina. Okay, friend, well, that is an easy recipe. And it's really simple. I mean, I'm telling you, I had an uncle in Umbria, Italy, in the middle of Italy, and he would make this with a sausage made with a wild boar. It was kind of gamey. So we don't have any of that sausage in here in Florida. They don't bring it over here. So I got nice spicy Italian sausage. It's gonna be delicious. But it's so easy. Look, I got nothing. I got no prep here, friend. I got mushrooms. This is like a 4 or 5 ounces baby portobello mushroom. You can put them in if you don't want it. You don't want it, don't put them in. It's not like it's a classic recipe. It got to be done this way, you know. Make it however you want it. You can change it. You know, I mean, I've had a lot of people in my family. One make it this way, one puts mushroom, the other one don't put mushroom. My uncle used to put sage in his sausage to bring me back to this flavor. I put sage, and sage is available right now at the store, so I put a little bit. You don't have to put it in. It's just the way I do it. All right, friends. I'm going to saute the sausage over there because the secret of this recipe, if there is such a thing as a secret in this recipe, because it's so simple, friends, is we want to create a beautiful Maillard reaction, caramelization of the protein with the sausage. And that goes for every time we do meat, really. I mean, you don't want to be boiling meat, right? I mean, you see people boiling meat. You see a lot of it, you know, when you see people making bolognese or things like that, they boil it. You don't want to boil it. The caramelization is so important, friends. So we're going to put it in the pan, and we're going to saute, and we're going to break it up with a spatula. That's a secret also. Secret. I always talk about secret. There's no secret in the kitchen. You know, I always tell people, and you hear me a million times saying, anybody can cook. Put an onion right here, always. Onion is always number first, don't forget. You see people putting onion and like with everything else. No, you got to caramelize the onion. I know I'm repeating myself, but remember, friends, every day, we got a few thousand new subscribers. Every day. Every day. This past week was like amazing. It was like 15,000 new subscribers. So all those new subscribers, God bless them. God bless you guys. Welcome to the channel. This is a butter channel. We eat butter. We love butter. Cream, butter. It's good for you. Yeah. My mom called it WD-40. Good lubrication for you. I agree. Why, you don't ever disagree with mom. Whatever she said, yes, it was. Or grandma from Italy, whatever she said, yes, it was the truth. We didn't care what it was. Yes, mom. All right, well, look at the onion right there. All right. I got a little garlic. That's another thing for the new subscriber. Then we have to repeat. I mean, this is such a simple recipe. When you look at it, you know, people say, oh, I don't know how to cook. Hey, everybody knows how to cook. You just got to get in the kitchen. You know, it's like, oh, I don't know how to swim. Throw them in the pool. What do you think they're going to do? Drown? No, they're not. They're going to swim, right? You swim or you die. What do? You swim. Same thing in the kitchen. Go in the kitchen, and you got an ingredient, and you realize, shoot, I can do this. It's really not that difficult. Okay, the onion got a little color right there. Boom. Put the mushroom. All right, now, the mushroom, friends. I was just thinking of something. I'm always thinking. Here you go. I'm going to put, I got to get rid of the water in the mushroom. Mushrooms are full of water. Hate the water. What do you put to get rid of the water? A little salt. I got a porcini mushroom salt. Put a regular salt if you don't have. Who's got porcini mushroom salt? Well, I got it. But not everybody got porcini mushroom salt, so put a regular salt. It's a Mediterranean sea salt with dry mushroom porcini powder. So it tastes very good. But you put regular mushroom salt in here, put a garlic salt. No, don't go in there putting garlic salt because you're going to use that garlic salt, then you have this flavoring thing. No, don't do that. We're going to use fresh garlic, okay? But I mean, if you don't have fresh garlic, then you do it. Now I got to get rid of all the water. I got to saute this. I'm going to use penne pasta. I pre-cook them already. They're almost done. And just what I do is to make it easy, I just finished cooking them. They take about 10, 12 minutes, right? So to make my life easier, I just cook them, take them out, put a drizzle of olive oil, and then they're right there. You see, look, they're right there. They're ready. They got all I got to do now is dunk them in boiling water, and I'm ready to serve it. It makes it easy. You know, it just makes it easy. At the end of the day, we got to kind of make sure it's fun. See, look, no color. No color. You notice that? No color. And but get rid of the water. See, look. So, we came to the conclusion. Then most of our subscribers, I would say the vast majority, I don't know the percentage, 80, 90, 93%, I have no idea, love long videos. So you see, when I started YouTube, everybody was telling me, you do video more than 5 minutes, it's not gonna work. Nobody's gonna watch you. 5 minutes. And I'm like, really? I can't do anything in 5 minutes. So we said, you know what? If it doesn't work, if people have to do it in 5 minutes, I guess I'm not going to be on YouTube because I'm not liking it. And we started making video. Then we're 15, 20, 30 minutes long. And everybody was telling us, we like them better that way. So we did. And you know what? You guys love it. And thank you, because it's so much more fun to do a video where you take your time, you cook, you get into the ingredient, because at the end of the day, that's all it is. You got to get into it. Some people say I talk too much. Well, you know, I don't dance good. I don't sing good. So what am I supposed to do? And this is all I got for you. All right, friends? Look. We're looking good, right? What do you think? I still don't have no colors. I have no colors. But the mushrooms are looking good. See, look, they're losing all their water. See? They lost all their water. This is looking very good. We're going to wait a second. And then we're going to put, like I say, I put sage. You don't have to put sage if you don't want to put sage. But I put a little sage in there. I want to make sure there's no more water in the mushroom. I'm going to put the sage right there. This is just, what would you say? 2 teaspoons of sage if you had to measure. By the way, remember, friends, for those of you that are using dry, whatever measurement I give you for fresh, you cut in half for dry, okay? Don't forget that. All right? So look now. We're going to put a little garlic. Remember, you put the garlic when? When do you put the garlic? You put the garlic when you're ready to put liquid. When you're ready to put liquid, that's when you put it, right? So what am I going to put for liquid? Garlic. What do you say? A tablespoon? Roughly a tablespoon freshly chopped garlic. Freshly chopped garlic. How do we know when garlic is ready? See, I'm just reminding lots of you that know already, and I'm educating the new people. When do we know when garlic is ready? When we smell it. Are we getting any color yet? Mamma mia, this one's giving me trouble. When it smells amazing right now. Put a little white wine in here. Measure carefully. All right? Just a little white wine. What do you think that was? 3/4 of a cup? A cup? You don't want to have wine? You don't want to put wine in your food? I totally understand. A lot of people don't like wine. It's probably because they haven't had really good wine. If you have very good wine, friends, I promise you, you'll like it. So, we're getting this ready. It's time for us to dunk the pasta. What do you think? The water is not boiling yet. Come to boil. We're going to reduce the wine. Whenever you put wine like that, you got to reduce it. Really, really important, friends. We're going to let it reduce. Look at this, friends. This is what I want. You see right there? That's what I'm talking about, the Maillard reaction. You know how good that's going to taste? You know how good that's going to taste? You know, sometimes you go to a restaurant, they do this, And to save time, they put the sausage or the meat, whatever they're doing, in a food processor. So it cuts it up faster instead of having to do what I'm doing right now. That's a terrible thing to do. Don't ever do that, friends. Don't ever, ever, ever do that. It's really, really bad. So look, we're gonna put it in here like this. I'm waiting for the water to boil. I get a little more color with this. Waiting for this to reduce. You see? It's not difficult. It smells amazing. I'm telling you, friends, it smells amazing. All right, so look. What do you think? It looks good? I think it looks fabulous. The water is not boiling. Friends, I'm going to wait a second for the water to boil, and I'll finish it. So let's wait a second because I don't want to put pasta in the water then it's not boiling. All right, I'll be back in 1 second, friends. Okay, sausage is beautiful. Look at the color on the sausage, friends. You see? This is what we're looking for. This is what we're looking for right there. We're going to put all this in here. Right? So far, so good, right? You know this? I don't do anything special. You can all do this. Everybody can do this. Now, right there. This is good. We're going to put some salt and pepper. All right? Nice black pepper. Nice salt. And a little cream. All right, now as much cream you put in, it's really up to you, friends. I got a cup of cream in here. I'm not sure I'm going to use it all. But I forgot to tell you, I got a pound of sausage also. Here you go. Let's put the whole cup of cream. So it's a cup of cream, a pound of sausage, 4 ounces of mushroom, and the rest of it is irrelevant. I think we can put a little bit more cream, friends. I'm going to let this reduce a little bit more. I think I need just a touch more cream. I got it. I got everything. I got everything, friends. I'm going to put just, so that was a cup of cream, right? So for those of you that like to measure, let's see, we're going to put another half a cup. All right? So here we go, friends. We got another half a cup. So in 1 second, we're going to put the pecorino romano in there. Pecorino romano or Reggiano Parmesan, whichever one you like, whichever one you have. It's okay. Now we got to watch it with the pecorino romano because if the sauce is too hot, the cheese will separate, and we don't want to do that. So we're going to make sure it's not too hot. The water is boiling, so I'm waiting another few seconds, friends, okay? All right, friends. Well, that's when things are good. Water is boiling. Remember, the pastas are ready. All I got to do is dunk them in here, which is exactly what I'm going to do. And this is going to be right there, beautiful. Now, do we need all that pasta for that 1 pound for that sauce? I think we can take it. It's looking good. Now we're going to put the cheese. Turn the heat off. Okay, I don't want it to be over 200 degrees for the cheese. Pecorino Romano, I have 1 cup, approximately. You can add more if you want. You can add Parmesan, whatever you got. Good Parmesan now. And then, what my grandmother used to do with a recipe, I think I got it from her too. Put a little butter in there. Just a little bit of butter. You don't have to put a lot, just a little bit. You don't have to put the butter. But I tell you what, your guests are going to love it. You don't have to tell them. A lot of people say, oh, butter is no good. Oh, butter is no good. And voila, my friends. This is the beauty. Oh, yeah. Let me tell you, I haven't tested yet. So how am I supposed to know? Oh, wow. Wow. All right, friends. The water is boiling. My pastas are hot. Don't burn yourself. That's why you got towels. There you go. Oh, man, I'm going to make a mess. This is probably too much pasta. There you go. Voila. Yeah, there's no way I'm putting all that pasta in here, friends. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make myself a plate. I'm gonna pour the sauce on top of it because I got too much. All right, that's what I'm gonna do, friends. Real quick here. Now the pasta, look at that. I use the Di Cecco pasta because I love Di Cecco. I think Di Cecco is a fabulous brand of pasta. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna take a ladle right here because I'm only making one serving, friends. Oh, look at this, it's gorgeous. Yeah. So make sure you're generous with your sauce. Make sure you're really, really generous with your sauce, friends. You see, beautiful sauce right there. Look at this, is that gorgeous? All right, then a little bit of pecorino romano on it, maybe a little more. And then you know what? Let's put a little bit of sage on top of it to remind everybody. Then sage is what they got to be expecting. See? Now all of a sudden, your guests know to expect sage. So they recognize the flavor. And you see? It's a beauty. It's a beauty and so simple, friends. Oh, mamma mia, water is still going. Let me have it. I'm eating with a spoon. That's okay. It's still beautiful. Look at this. Look at this, friends. Look at it. It's gorgeous. Oh, oh wow. That sauce. Oh, amazing. The sausage comes right through. A little spicy and fabulous. The sage is right there. And pecorino romano. Salty, so be careful with your salt. I hope you make it. Remember, thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to ring the bell. Cook this pasta. It's fantastic, friends. It was a pleasure making it for you. Wow. Jack, this is amazing. I haven't had it in such a long time. I love it. Be careful with the salt, boy. I hope I told them to be careful with the salt because everything is salty. You know, we got salty water. We got the cheese. The cheese is where all the salt comes from. So I think it's perfect right there. Look at that. Yeah. This is perfect. All right. Wonderful. I hope they make it. Wow.